Yeah, error on. This afternoon, we are here to demonstrate another project titled wireless gas leakage transmitter. Wireless gas leakage transmitter. Wireless gas leakage transmitter. So this is the transmitter. Then you can see the gas sensor. This is a gas sensor in the family of MQ series, belonging to the family of MQ series gas detector. MQ gas detector. Now, in the gas leakage transmitter, you have a wire which is used as an antenna. This wire represents an antenna through which message is sent. To the receiver. Through which message is sent to the receiver. So actually, what this does is, with the aid of the sensor, is able to detect gas leakage. If there is any gas leaked anywhere, with this sensor, which has some composition of chemical, inbuilt chemical in it, so the chemical in it reacts with the gas that is leaking. So the reaction here will be sent to the microcontroller in the gas transmitter. So the microcontroller gets the signal and transmits information through the antenna to the gas leakage receiver. Now let's look at the gas leakage receiver. This is the wireless gas leakage receiver. Just like what we mentioned at the other end while talking about the gas leakage transmitter, we can see that the receiver as well as an antenna, a wire which represents an antenna. Then the message sent through the gas leakage transmitter is received via the antenna of the receiver here and is taken by the microcontroller, and the microcontroller in return sounds the buzzer to show that there is a gas leakage at the transmitter end. That is, there is a gas leakage at the transmitter end, and that is what the buzzer does. Buzzer is just to give a signal or to call an attention or create alert that there is a message that has been sent by the transmitter, and that message simply indicates that there is a gas leakage. A gas has been detected within that environment. Now you can see an LED that is blinking here. This blinking LED is to show that there is a communication between the transmitter and the receiver. So that is the essence. Anytime the blinking of this LED stops, so that is to show that there is a break in communication between the receiver. That shows that there is a break in communication between the transmitter and the receiver. But as long as this LED keeps blinking, so it shows that there is communication between two of them. So we are going to operate it now so that we get a clearer understanding of what we are saying. So welcome back to the second part of our demonstration. Now, unfortunately, we don't have a cooking gas which we have used to experiment with this project. But meanwhile, we have an alternative, and that alternative is to dip this cloth in a petrol. We dip this in a petrol, and the odor that comes out from the petrol now indicates or represents the gas. So in essence, what we are saying is that this can as well detect petrol leakage. If there is a petrol in a container that is leaking, so the odor is also enough to trigger the transmitter to send message to the receiver that there is a leakage of petrol. Now we are going to do that. So let's I'll get this closer to the sensor so that you can easily sense it. So you can see, you can hear the sound. You can hear the sound. So that means that it has detected the leakage of a petrol. So I'm going to demonstrate that again. So I get it closer to it. So as long as it's detecting, you can hear the sound. You can hear the sound. So the sound shows that there is a leakage. There is a leakage somewhere that is detecting a gas. So until when the odor of the gas disappears before the transmitter stops. Before the transmitter stops. So because the receiver has taken enough volume of that petrol leakage, and that is why it's sounding. So you can see it sounding because it has taken enough volume of the gas leakage. So I'm going to make it faster so you can see. So this is called wireless gas leakage detector, and we are restricted by the type of power supply we are using here, and that is why you can't take the receiver far than the distance you see. But you can still go some meters. It can still be kept some meters away from where it is. So you can see just a short distance because of the power supply we are using here. You can't move this one further than this, and that is why it's kept within this range. But you can as well move it some meters away from where it is. So it could be used at home to detect gas leakage, that is the cooking gas leakage. Peradventure, you switch on your, you didn't switch off your gas cylinder before you rushed out from home. So a kind of, this device could be used. So also it could be used in petrol stations, in the industries where they produce gases and so on and so forth. It's very effective and also cost effective. So this is wireless gas leakage detector. Thank you.